Okay, Harvey the Silver Fox here. Now it's time. It's time for you to give me your referral links for all the programs, all the affiliate and crypto programs on your sales page that I built for you. When you click on that link, you're going to see that your name is now here. And your name is now here. So I've programmed your name in all these locations. Now what I need is I need your referral links for Elite Downline Club, World Profit. I do not need your referral links for these programs because your prospects will be instructed to get into the Crypto Team Build room and request that you pay for their first position in these programs here. So do not give me your referral links for these programs. All right. Then I need your referral links for for Infinity Mailer Boost, Infinity Traffic Boost, etc., etc. And of course, you're going to program your own opportunities, the images and your referral links and your own opportunities here in these slots here, because I don't know how to, I don't have the images and I don't have your referral links for that, so I can't do that. But make sure that you go through Marty's training, which you've done already, because I sent you that information in your PM area either later today or yesterday. So I sent you that information on how to do this here. And of course, you're going to find your name here. You're going to make 10% commissions when I build out the same marketing system for one of your prospects. And of course, these programs are free to join down here. These two programs are not free to join, but you don't have to you don't have to join right now. What I need is your referral links for these other programs ASAP, all right? Of course, you've been through the training here. I placed this training video for this section here in your PM area. So you've been through that already, so you know what to do, you know how it works. But as always, if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, my video channel, make sure you do ring that little bell, because if you don't ring that little bell, you're not going to be notified of my next training video. And of course, there's going to be several more, so I'm going to give you. So make sure you do that. Make sure you like this video. And always keep in mind, if those people that happen to be watching this video, a week or a couple weeks or a couple months from now, what I'm teaching now might be out of date tomorrow. Okay, keep that in mind. So what you're going to do is you're going to post your referral links in the PM area, one at a time. One at a time. If you post them all together, clumped together, I'm going to be confused. So when I receive your referral links, I will then remove the rotator links. Now, we have all the Team Build Rotator members in each one of these. So I'm going to be removing their links and replacing it with your links. Now, if you are not in a position to join, or if you just want to get your page built right away, if you want to join later, the Team Build Rotators members, their links are going to stay in these programs. So keep that in mind. On that subject, make sure that you get into the Crypto Team Build room and request that this case here, Freedom Frenzy, Team Build, BTC, all of your referral links are placed in the Team Build Rotators. Because when I build this out for one of your prospects or somebody else, we want to make sure you're in here. And then once that person goes in here and he says, well, I do not belong to Team Build or BTC, and they want to join, and you're up in the rotation, they're going to join through you. See how powerful this is? So that's so important that you make sure that your referral links are in the Team Build Rotator so you can benefit. So the referral links from the Team Build Rotator will stay on the images until you join and post those links here in your PM area later. Now tomorrow, or later today, I'll give you instructions on how to make sure your referral links you gave me are correct in your sales page and how to keep your sales page up to date right here, step number 2. Okay, so you know what to do. I'll be waiting for you in the Crypto Team Build Telegram group, ready to help you earn more crypto.